Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Janet A. Agabao, 31 years old, married. I have 3 kids, 2 sons and 1 daughter. Ages 13 years old, 11 and 9 years old. Living in Santa Luciana, Kawayan City, Isabela. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am 5th of the family. College level, BSIT, Bachelor of Science and Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience before in Hong Kong, 2 years and 4 months. I serve a mother and her son. I do marketing, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning, and ironing. And I have also work experience here in Philippines as housemaid. 2 couple and 1 child. I do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, and take care the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check her temperature. If sick, I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family and my children also.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work and I remind to myself that I need this job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. at night and I early wake up in 5 a.m. off in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
More patience, sir, and I calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let ban in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to finish my contract, sir, as they will need me.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. A little.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Come to me and sing with me.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I hope you will choose me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and dedicated and responsible person. I promise that I serve your family to do all my best. Thank you and God bless.